militants and a policeman was killed in a 14-hour-long gunfight in Hafun Nazimpora village of Tral in South Kashmir's Pulwama district. An army major, 2 soldiers and a CRPF trooper was wounded in the gunfight that started last night. An official said that the 2 bodies of militants were recovered from the encounter site and their identity was not immediately established.
We had a specific input about presence of terrorists in Tral area, and last evening the encounter started. There was a contact and we have killed 2 terrorists. It was a joint operation by J&K police and security forces, and 2 terrorists have been killed. One of them is a commander, another is a Pakistani foreign terrorist, and unfortunately we have lost one Jawan of the SOG J&K police.
Locals said that the house in which militants were hiding was blasted by improvised explosive devices. The policeman was identified as Manzoor Ahmed of Salamabad, Uri. Massive clashes erupted after the gunfight ended in Nazimpora and adjacent villages between the youth and paramilitary forces deployed in the area. For Kashmir Crown, this is Iram Khan reporting.
One policeman killed and 4 others seriously injured in a road accident in South Kashmir's Shopian district. A police vehicle skidded off the road and plunged into a nala in Barbag Imam Sahib area of the district, resulting into a death of 1 cop and injuries to 4 others. The injured were shifted to a hospital in Srinagar for treatment. The deceased has been identified as ASI Nazir Ahmed. This is Khushbu reporting for Kashmir Crown. A policeman was killed in an encounter with suspected Hizbul Mujahideen militant in Jammu and Kashmir's Tral village on Sunday. He was identified as Manzoor Ahmed of Jammu and Kashmir Police Special Operation Group. A wreath-laying ceremony was held in Srinagar to pay homage to deceased cop before his body was dispatched to his native Baramulla village for burial. Manzoor Ahmed is survived by his wife and 1 child.
छोटे को मैं क्या बोलूंगी, बाप का है, मैं उसको क्या उसको बोलूंगी, मेरी किस्मत क्यों इतनी जल गई। सुबह 4:15 उन्होंने बोला छोटे को जल्दी उठा, छोटे के साथ बात कर लूंगा मैं। छोटे के साथ बात की, उसको बोला दूध दे, जल्दी जल्दी छोटे को दिया। उसने बोला छोटे को, मैं सोने लगा। तो मुझे भी बोला आप टेंशन नहीं लेना, मुझे नींद आई। मैंने बोला नहीं फोन नहीं स्विच ऑफ करना, टोटली मैं फोन करती रहूंगी। तो मुझे क्या पता है, मुझे उम्र तो माँ वो छोड़ ही जाएंगे। अब मुझे ये पता नहीं था, ये बदकिस्मती, मैं तो गाड़ी लेके जाती हूँ। इस बात का मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है। बैल मैंने उसको बोला भाई को बोलूंगी, अंकल जी को बोलूंगी। बोला मुझे मामूली सा वरम हुआ है, मुझे उतनी नहीं लगी, आप मत टेंशन लो, आपको प्रेशर हो जाएगा। मुझे ये इस बदकिस्मती का मुझे नहीं पता था। मेरी जिंदगी खराब होगी आधे रास्ते में। 2 महीने हुए घर नहीं आ सका, घर के लिए तड़फा था।
पिछले 2 महीने से घर नहीं
आ सके। सिर्फ बोला जुम्मा को आज पहुंचो, मैंने फोन किया, मैं खर्चा खत्म हुआ, घर पहुंचो। मुझे क्या पता है, मुझे उम्र तमाम वो छोड़ कर जाएंगे, ये मुझे नहीं पता था। मेरी जिंदगी के साथ धोखा हो जाएगा, मुझे नहीं पता नहीं।
Today, 3 youth injured in a mysterious blast in Sopore. 3 youth were injured, one of them critically in a mysterious blast near army camp in Panzalpura Hardishwa village of Sopore in North Kashmir's Baramulla district on Sunday. Police said, according to local witness, that the blast happened after one of the local boy who was playing picked up an unexploded shell laying in a nala near the Panzalpura army camp, which got exploded in his hand. The injured, identified as Sohail Rashid Lon, Akash Riaz Bhatt and Shakir Hassan Dar, and were shifted to Sopore Sub-District Hospital for treatment, wherefrom Sohail was shifted to SMHS Srinagar for advanced treatment. Police officials said that it was not confirmed yet whether it was a grenade blast or anything else. They further added that we have started investigation about the incident. In Sopore, this is Nadeem Koyum reporting for Kashmir Crown.